Hi everyone, welcome to One Preschool Morning. The kids are with me today. It's been a rainy day and we have been reading train books. We are reading Freight Train by Donald Cruz. So we're going to be going chugga 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 choo choo during the book. See if you can do it with us. Here we go. A train runs across this track. Chugga 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 choo choo. Red caboose at the back. Orange tank car next. Yellow hopper car. Green cattle car. Blue gondola car. Purple box car. A black tender and a black steam engine. Are we ready? Here we go. Get your hands ready. Chugga 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 choo choo. Freight train. Chugga 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 choo choo. Moving. Chugga 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 choo choo. Going through tunnels. Going by cities. Crossing trestles. Moving in darkness. Moving in daylight. Going, going, gone. And the freight train is all gone. That was Freight Train. Well, that's it for today. Come back and see us again at One Preschool Morning. Bye.